everyone, and welcome to my channel. I know it's been some time since I recorded anything, technically I was out for like a month and a half. My sister actually got infected with the COVID, and so the whole family was put in quarantine, and since everybody was here I couldn't record anything, and they were the longest 3 weeks of my life, mostly because everybody was here. So that's one of the main reasons. And the second, I believe once the quarantine time was over, I just didn't feel like recording anything, and you know, sometimes that happens. And I believe I had the virus, but I just came out negative in my test because I did have a bunch of the symptoms, but you know, who knows. Anyway, so I'm going to be setting up my budget for my first September paycheck. I just got paid today, and I already set my September budget. Where is it? Somewhere over here. I didn't record this. Like I said, I was not in the mood, so I didn't do it. But you know, here it is. And yeah, I also set up my bills. I need to do my debt and my sinking funds, and that's all. Also, my stickers are on Etsy. They're printables on Etsy, so I have them there in case you're interested. I'm still learning how to use my Cricut machine. I've been ruining this. I've been trying to cut them, but for whatever reason my Cricut is not cooperating. I'm not really sure how to use it either. So yeah, that's why they look a little messed up, but in reality, without the Cricut, they look nice. So this is for the first paycheck. Yeah, I'm gonna start with this thing. Okay, so first, income. I have my regular job, and I got paid $994 and some cents, but I don't remember how much it is. So it's 994. And first I have my expenses. So nothing much has changed. I haven't had any, you know, major changes. I'm still working from home. I'm still trying to pay my student loan. I'm taking a trip at the end of this month, just to get out of the city for a little bit, so kill some of the monotony of life. Anyway, so yeah, nothing has changed. So I'm gonna do my expenses first, and I have my first one is my rent, and my rent is $196. Then I have gas, and I'm gonna add $10 to my gas cash envelope. I still have another 10 from the last paycheck I received in August, and I haven't spent any money from it. Then I have my laundry, and I'm gonna do $5. Next I have my allowance, and I am going to budget $5 for this as well. And lastly, I have my groceries. I already went grocery shopping on Tuesday because that's the day my sister gets paid, and I grabbed some money from some extra money I have to pay my student loan, and I used those $30, so I'm just gonna pay it back and then pay my student loan. So total for this is, I don't know, so it's 196 plus 10 plus 5 from the laundry plus 5 from the allowance plus 30 equals to $246. Okay, and now I am going to do my bills. And for my bills, I have first my share of the internet, which is 32, and I'm just gonna write net, so that's 32. Then I have Photoshop, and this is 10. And then I have my car insurance, and this is 156. This went up a little bit. It was 147. but my mom changed insurances, so I'm not getting her discount anymore, which sucks. Okay, so first is the internet, that's 32 plus 10 from Photoshop plus 156 from the insurance, and it is 198. Okay, so down here I have a category for other. First I want to do my sinking funds and savings. I put them together, sinking fund and savings, and I'm gonna do 135, so 50 for savings and 85 for my sinking funds. Then I'm going to do I need to get some refills from Earthwell. So technically this is a little store we have here in San Diego, where you can get organic refills for shampoo, dishwasher, they have a bunch of stuff, moisturizer, face wash. So I need to get shampoo and I need to get detergent for laundry, and I'm gonna budget 25 for this. It was like $13 the last time I went, and I did get shampoo refill, and what else did I got? I think I got shampoo, I got a face wash, and laundry detergent refills. So it's pretty cheap, but I'm just gonna do 25, and if I have leftover, I'll add it, I don't know where, to my student loan. Then I need to get a new planner for budgeting. I'm not gonna get Erin Condren anymore. I'm gonna do another planner. I still don't know, I'm looking into them, but September is the last month I have, and I really need to get this one on this paycheck. Probably I'll buy it today. But I was looking, I think it's sugar plum, no, sugar paper, sugar something. They have them online and they're very customizable, and so yeah, I'm not gonna get Erin Condren this time. It's just, I don't know, I don't know. Anyway, so I'm gonna add the other category. So it's 135 plus 25 plus 50 is 210, and I'm running out of battery. Okay, now for the totals. Let's see. The first one are the expenses, and the budget is 246. Then I have my bills, and the budget is 198. And then I have the other, it is 210. So 210 from the other plus 198 plus 246 is 654, which means I'll have minus 994, I'll have $340 available to pay my student loan. So this 340 will go towards my student loan. I'm gonna write down here student loan 340, which is the leftover. And yeah, okay, that is all for this video. This is how my budget is gonna look like, or I misspelled grocery, it's groceries, whatever. Yeah, and usually my bills look the same. I usually don't go overboard, so yeah, this is how it's gonna look. But yeah, I've been writing the actuals over here. I realized it was easier to come back and see how I did. So yeah, that is all for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.